Hello everyone, this is Chris with SickerFab, and today I'm with our 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, and I just wanted to do a quick little video on these V2 overlays. I had a customer in Japan that wanted the overlays without the acrylic, so it just goes on the front surface of the OEM emblem, so you can see the original silver from the side. Now this cuts down on the cost of the product, and the install does go a little bit quicker, but I wanted to let you guys know the difference. They install really easily. They install like any vinyl letter set, like the video that I have on just installing these. Basically, you clean everything down, you wet it, and then you install them, you let it dry out, and then they stick with no issues. But let me show you the difference between this and our original ones. But to start out the video, I am going to show you that there is a way to completely remove the silver 100% and just adhere our original one directly to the grill without the silver there at all. So if it's warm enough, or you get a heat gun and warm all of this up, maybe a hair dryer as well, heat gun will probably work better, you can actually pull all of this off. There are locator pins in here, so if you put something back on, I would recommend our original front overlays because they come with that acrylic piece. They would pop on over there and it would cover those holes up. So once you get this real warm, you want to use something like a trim tool. This might be on a little thin, this might be a little on the thick side. It is just one of our squeegees, but I'm able to wedge it down in between there, and I have actually not used any heat on this. It's just warm outside. It's like 90 degrees. All right, so here I have all three mounting methods. This is the V2, and it just goes on the top surface of your OEM letters. And here's the normal way to install our original. You have your original OEM, that silver piece back there. And then you have our black acrylic, and then you have the vinyl on top of it. And right here, I've removed the original emblem, and then I just have that black acrylic on top of it with the sticker on top of that. So you can see, you can barely see the silver from normal viewing angles with the original kit. Of course, you guys see silver under that vinyl only kit. And obviously, since we've removed the silver, you won't see anything right there, and it lays the flattest and closest to the grill. So that's that. If you guys want to pick up our original acrylic set, if you want to install it without the silver on the back, go ahead, do so. Or if you want this cheaper set that's a little bit easier and less time consuming to do, go ahead and pick that up at sickerfab.com as well. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the 2024 and up Toyota Land Cruiser.